Are you making good money, but you're not progressing towards your goals as fast as you could be? You're overwhelmed by the sheer volume and often contradictory financial advice and which actually applies to you specifically. Or maybe you're already DIYing your finances and investments and you're wondering, what is it I'm missing? Well, I'm about to do something crazy. I'm going to give you the exact step-by-step system that elite wealth managers use with high net worth paid clients to maximize their money. You'll learn how to build a strategic plan to maximize every last drop of your finances, and I'm going to do it completely for free. You'll learn directly from me, live or on your own time, and other wealth professionals like tax lawyers, CPAs, and lenders to maximize your wealth with proven financial strategies and systems from your couch, on your own time, for free. So what exactly do you get when you join the Haven Wealth system? Well, I'm happy you're here and I'm so excited to tell you. You get the exact same system that elite wealth advisors use with high net worth paid clients. You're gonna see how we've helped over 200 individuals and families take control of their money. And you're gonna take these strategies and apply them to your own household. You're gonna learn directly from me, Josh Olfert, CFP. By the way, why would you even wanna listen to me on these topics? Well, I've started my own wealth management firm where we help people do this every day. I've been featured in places like the Globe and Mail, Business Insider, Wealth Professional Magazine. Other advisors around the world pay for our time to help them help their clients. And we've taken all these strategies we use to help someone like Mari, one of our clients, a young lady in her late 20s, who works in the public sector, doesn't have some crazy high-performing corporate job. She didn't start her own business, and she took her household net worth from $90,000 to $250,000 in 24 months using the Haven Wealth system. This is the sort of system and the sort of strategies we want to share with everybody. The promise here is 30 days to your own comprehensive wealth strategy plan if you're willing to be engaged and put in the work. Again, I want to make it completely clear. This is for free. We are offering all of this completely for free. So what is it that you're going to get inside when you sign up? Well, you're going to go to our classroom and you're going to see a start here section where we're going to get you set on the best possible footing. You're going to download some resources and some interactive guides as you go through. And then you're going to navigate to our wealth building masterclass where you're going to walk through all of these different modules and you're going to learn everything that you need to learn in order to optimize your own wealth strategy plan for your specific household. There is also going to be a step-by-step plan that you're going to download and we're going to take you through your plan and build out a strategy for you. So you'll have this interactive system where every module is going to create some deliverables, some calculations, and then you're going to drag those into your plan. At the end, you're going to have this beautiful plan that a lot of people might pay $3,000 or $4,000 for. And this wealth strategy plan is the same type of plan we used with Levi, an electrician who started with us in his early 20s and has grown his portfolio from $40,000 to $250,000 using the Haven Wealth system in just 3 years. Levi's on track to retire with over $10 million in assets as an electrician. And that's going to produce $300,000 to $400,000 a year in passive income. You're also going to have access to bi-weekly collaboration calls. If you go into the calendar section over here, you'll be able to find the next date where we're having a call. You'll be able to add this to your calendar and then hop on a Zoom call with everyone in the community where there's going to be a Q&A, there'll be some educational topics, and we're just going to all move towards our vision for our best life financially together with help of professionals as well. Next, you're going to get a friendly community of like-minded wealth builders. Everyone in here is here for the same purposes, and it's not just a course and it's not just calls. You could go into any one of these threads and you can find an engaging discussion where people have questions about some specific financial planning topic, and everyone is so welcoming and everyone wants you to be here and everyone wants you to be successful. So I highly encourage you to get involved and to be engaged in the community. A lot of people say they came for the course to learn, but then they stayed because of the relationships they built there. And for limited time, now only, until I get completely overwhelmed, you're going to get a one-on-one onboarding success call with me, Josh Olfert, where I'm going to find out why is it you're here, what are you after, what are you trying to get out of this, and how can we push you off on the best possible footing and give you that ongoing support. And if you want to see what you might learn in the course, here's some of the main chapters. We're going to talk about the foundations of wealth and wealth planning. We're going to define your vision, the best vision of your future, and your values. We're going to talk about this idea of a compound and cascade. How do we set up our monthly flows to fund a wealth production system? Financial strategy superchargers. We're going to talk about financial planning secrets, investing, taxes, debt, how to use things to your advantage and build a system where you're going to achieve your goals just by default in time, right? We're going to talk about some case-specific superchargers like how to travel more, how to buy your dream home, how to retire early, and just worry less about money overall. Then we're going to talk about implementing your plan and the steps you need to go through in your life to make this in reality. And lastly, we'll talk about some advanced strategies. Now, all these things that you're learning here are a condensed version of all of the strategies that we use to help Kai, a blue-collar Haven Wealth System user in his late 20s, to grow his investment base from $114,000 to $320,000 in just 4 years. Kai's on track to be financially independent in his 40s, and he doesn't spend more than 10 hours per year on his investments and his financial planning. Now for Kai, he loves treating his parents and eating great food. His financial abundance now allows him to take his parents for Michelin star dinners whenever they can, and Kai just no longer blinks an eye at grabbing the check. This is perfect. If you're making great money, but not progressing towards your goals as fast as you think you could be, if you're overwhelmed by the sheer volume of often contradictory financial strategies and which ones apply to you specifically, maybe you're DIYing your finances and investments and wondering what you could possibly be missing, or you're just new to the whole wealth building journey and you need a system to put in place to get started. So I encourage you, it is completely risk-free. There's two options here. One is you decide to just go away from this page and life continues as normal. Or you could join now for zero risk, see what's inside, and see if this is the perfect thing for you. So I highly encourage you, join now and get inside and book your onboarding success call, and we'll see you in there.